have a 1947 Chrysler New Yorker, four-door sedan.
Well, good. I appreciate that very much.
In addition to that car that Honeycutt's driving, Herb and his son Danny are riding today, and Herb's late wife Helen, along with Herb, are real pillows here in Motah. Herb served as head judge for several years, and after losing his wife, he bought that little yellow Ford convertible, and he rides all over the city of Memphis in that car. But he's been in so many movies, it is really the #1 movie car in Memphis. Thank you, Cindy.
And in the far lane, we have a Ford Crown owned by Gus and Charlotte Adams of Charleston, Arkansas. They've owned it only a little over a year, and it's been restored to the condition that it is now in. You might think that that's a pink and white car, but it's actually tropical rose and snowshoe white. Fancy.
Oh, you're showing out, guys. Yeah.
So what are they looking up underneath the mirror? See what the rest of the car looks like. If it's rusty, clean.
Ladies and gentlemen, after the conclusion of the evaluation, all of the judges will meet and look at the evaluation sheets, and we'll make trophy presentations this afternoon following the show at 4 o'clock for the open cars only. Tonight at the banquet, we will present trophies to the antiques and the senior winners. Unfortunately, we have first, second, and third place trophies. But please be aware that every car here today is somebody's pride and joy and is a trophy winner. And we may have a car in 4 or 5 cars in one class, which means a couple of cars will receive an award. But you can rest assured that we appreciate your attendance. We appreciate the effort that you've taken to restore these cars. Trophies will be presented to the ones tonight at the banquet on the antique cars and the rest of the cars after 4 o'clock this afternoon.